there everyone, this is Hemant Kumar, welcome back. So as I promised, we are going to look into the roadmap of Google Data Analytics certificate as I have promised. This video will be based on completely my own experience and my own ideas. There are actually two ways to do this. One is to complete all the courses as fast as possible and then go for the projects. And the second one is do projects along with the particular course. I'll show you. These are the courses that offered by the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, right? So there are total 8 courses and you can do more than 8 projects, to be honest, depending on the particular, course you are doing or skills you're learning, something like that. So coming to like, how could you actually, the first step is what I actually took. In the middle, I was confused and did some of the projects, but I felt like, okay, maybe I should go through all the courses at first once and then go for the projects. I did that way, but believe me, it's actually not a very good way to go. I mean, it will be a little hard for you to regain the particular skills again, particular, problem solutions again, particular formulas, basically formulas or methods that you're trying to implement. It will be a little bit hard, but it was also one of the good ways. I felt it was better for me since I was able to grasp knowledge on basically everything that is related to data analysis, what I was going to do. It was really helpful for me, but I'll leave the judgment up to you, like which path you want to choose. So the first way is simply like this: integrate all of the skills into making as many possible practice projects as possible. What the freak is this sentence? Okay, so yeah, as many possible practice projects as possible, that should be there, but okay, anyway. The second way is do projects along with each particular course. As you can see here, first course there is no need for you to do any projects, but you just have to focus on learning everything basically. Let's go with that. Okay, I'm not supposed to remove that. Okay, so the first one is foundations, basically this one, the first course. Wait, can I select this? Yeah, this is the first course. So this is where you learn everything related to data, like how it actually works, what the introduction of the data analysis, introduction to data in example, like you look at more real world examples and actual data, how it is processed and how we gather the data, structured and unstructured data. More of this you can find in that particular course. And the second project is basically ask questions to make data driven decisions. So simply this is you'll get into deeper into the introduction part basically, and also you will learn MS Excel in this and also Google Sheets. So it's up to you which one do you want to practice first. You can just either way. So after that, the completing the first course and coming to the second course. After the completion of the second course, if you are following the second part, you have to go to do 2 projects on spreadsheets, basically Excel or Google Sheets. It's your wish, whichever you're comfortable with. I personally prefer if you can do both of them, but I haven't done it myself yet. I have only done, Excel projects. Yeah, Google Sheets have to do. It's not that big deal. There isn't much that difference, but it would be better for you to practice on that particular sheet so that you will have less trouble when you're actually going for that again. And the third one is basically related to the third course. This is actually related to the third, which is this 4th and 5th course. All of these are basically based on Excel and SQL itself. So you can actually go to more than 2 projects here. First, we have to build SQL projects here for these 3 courses. Basically because they'll go deeper into SQL. And from basic to intermediate, you learn basically everything which is related to data analysis, that is skills required for data analysis in SQL. They'll go deeper into that and they'll actually go into BigQuery. I also think BigQuery, yeah, I also think they'll go into that too. It would be helpful for you to learn this. Believe me, as a data analyst, you have to learn SQL more than anything. Believe me, you will be doing more of the work in SQL itself rather than any other particular tool or skill that you're trying to do. I mean, Excel is there, but most of the work is done in SQL itself because it's pretty much easy. I mean, nowadays we are going for Python so that we can do everything right there with the code but still now this SQL is still relevant in that particular industry. I mean, in data analysis industry. So building many projects as possible as you can is always better. It's not simply about building projects. You have to gain skills, you have to gain experience, you have to basically in a computer science and coding languages, basically debugging. You have to do code debug. You'll find a lot of solution and new ideas to do that too. I myself haven't done more than 5 projects, I think, in SQL. I still have to do. I'll do on I'll do and record them with you and post it on the channels. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, as I have already told you, you can have spreadsheets plus SQL projects too. I mean, for this particular 3 and 4, 5 courses. And coming to the sixth course, which is share data through art of visualization. So this sixth course is really important for data analyst or any other particular business analyst you want to become, because it does definitely require dashboards and business intelligence tools. So that means this course is actually one of the most important of them all, because this is the final output that you'll be showing to your stakeholder. So I think this particular course is much more important than any other course in this particular certificate. Okay. So what you can do is simply make dashboards using Tableau or Power BI. These are the only things that you have to focus on right now if you are at a beginner stage. I mean, if you have already know this too and you want to go for something else, that's your own wish. Do whatever you want, do whatever you're comfortable with, okay? And coming to dashboards, you can do like as many as possible, just like SQL too. It's not going to be that hard building dashboards as working on Excel and SQL. It might be a little bit hard for you if you don't know that you are in still intermediate or basic stage. But if you are at an advanced stage, it would be really, yeah. I'm not sure myself because I'm not at advanced stage. All I can tell you is that practice as much as possible. It's all about practice. Okay. The more you practice, the more you'll know, the more you'll gain, and the more is better for you, right? Always more is better than a little, right? Okay. So coming to the sixth, which is, seventh course in this particular certificate, is that data analysis with R program. I personally didn't like this particular course at all. I mean, I'm not much myself a coder. I'm not good fan of programming language. I'm not supposed to say this as a computer science student, but yeah, I don't like coding at all. But it's just there in my life. I can't do anything about that. I have been there for many years. So I didn't like this course, not because it's related to only program, but I didn't felt like it was that good compared to Python or any other programming language I have seen. Yes, it was especially built for data analysis, but I don't feel like people use this in the industry right now. Maybe they are using, but not that much as compared to other particular tools out there in the industry. So yeah, it's all up to you. In my opinion, I mean, it's optional for me. Wait, yeah, this one. It's optional for me. I mean, I'm not saying that the course is optional. You have to complete that course, or otherwise you won't be able to get the final batch, the Google Data Analytics batch. I'll show you that in a second. Complete this particular course ASAP. That means complete it fast as possible. Then you can go for the last course, which is basically Capstone. The frick is wrong with you? Capstone project, basically a complete case study. Google will be providing you two, 3 case studies. I think you can also go with your own case study, complete it, submit it, and have quiz. Yeah, I totally forgot about this. Quizzes. Okay, you'll be having quizzes, tests, or whatever you call that. I mean, it's supposed to be quiz exams basically. So you have to write them. I mean, like complete them. Then only you'll be able to go forward to next course or each module. And also to get the certificate, you at least need 80% in each of the quizzes. I mean, every quiz is out there. Okay, you have to gain at least 80% of that. That is also reflected on your final certificate. I mean, all the certificates that you'll be getting, the percentage is displayed. I'll show you in a minute that. So coming to the last course, this is, yeah, you have to complete a case study. I mean, it's better to do the Coursera given case study in my opinion, because they have a really good case study. It might be a little old for right now in 2024, but it's still better, because it completely focuses on the industry-based knowledge. It will be so much professional for you. That means I don't think you will be able to get something like that on YouTube itself too. It's that much professional, believe me. I tried to do that. I wasn't able to do that. I completed one, I think. The second one, I wasn't able to do it. I just stopped it because I felt like, okay, I have to move forward and complete this particular course. So I went for the another one, which is my own project, and I submitted that. And yeah, I completed that. That's how I received it. This is my way of, going however you want to complete this particular course. I seriously feel like going with the first one is so much better. But if you want to gain skills faster, I think the second way is much better. And if you want to complete this particular course as fast as possible, like in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, I think the first step is better for you. But if you want to take it slowly and gain skills slowly and perfectly, then go for the second step. it's much better for you. As I am a student myself, I don't have that much time, so I simply went with the first one. I mean, I have done the projects, but I haven't uploaded them because they were not perfect for me. So if I want to upload them in my portfolio or GitHub repository, I wanted them to be at least a little bit perfect. I mean, my satisfaction. Not saying that someone is going to judge me or anything at this point of stage, but yeah, I feel like I should be judged. I should be given feedback. So that is the reason why I'm still holding on to them. I'll be soon making projects and posting that on the YouTube. So you guys can judge me on that. And the last step is, before going for a job, I mean, I have no idea on this self, but I think it would be better for you complete like major projects, like a very big projects from raw data gathering, cleaning, and formatting that particular data, analyzing that, uh, gaining insights from that, and making dashboards, finally showing it to someone else, like posting it on repository or getting feedback from someone or any of the particular recruiters out there. So complete at least 1 to 2 major projects, or at least work on a team project that you're trying to work on, maybe with your friends, colleagues, or any of the people that who is in the same field as you are, like data analysis field or any other business analyst fields related to data analysis. I mean, it would be better for you. One more thing I forgot to answer is that yes, you can also do projects on Python using machine learning. You can also do that too. It's completely up to you, but I didn't go that way, so I'm not sure myself. But believe me, you can definitely do that. There is nothing wrong with that. And also you can also integrate this particular projects with the cloud too. You can also do these projects on Amazon, Azure, or Google Cloud too if you want to do it. But I am still not aware of the particular process how to do in that. I'll be learning in a couple of months, I guess, how to do that. Then I'll upload another video related to that. So this is it for this video. And also I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, I forgot. I wanted to show you guys my certificates. So these are the basic certificates I have received. How should I write this? Okay, anyway. So this is the first one, Foundations Data Everywhere. I have already posted all of these particular certificates on my, LinkedIn. My LinkedIn profile page is in the description, and also on my profile page, I guess. What do you call YouTube profile page again? I think it's profile itself. Yeah. And these are all the certificates. I'm not going to go through all of them. Yeah, this is the main certificate that is important for you. You can see all the courses are listed here, and to verify this, you can actually go click this link also. Yeah, see, completed by Makkala Kumar. That's my actual name, not Hemant Kumar is also not my name, but this has been my name ever since I was born, so it's hard for me to change that. Yeah, just ignore that. So yeah, I have completed all the particular courses. I'm going to be honest with you, I have completed, R programming really fast. I didn't like that. Where is R programming again? Here it is. See, this is the last one. These are the particular things I have completed first. Capstone, where is that? I think capstone is not marked in here. Anyway, so yeah, I didn't like that. I am just not a fan of programming, so I didn't like that. So yeah, that's how it happened. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys, the particular roadmap for me. And yeah, if I want, I'll make a follow-up video this too. If you want to know more about this particular course, go in detail, what each course consists of, how to apply financial aid, like if you want to buy the course, is it really worth it or not? I think I've already told that in the previous video, but still I'm going to make a follow-up video if you want. That is, if you want to know more about these particular courses, what I have done, like what are the courses listed in that. Anyway, like and subscribe if you like this video. Love this video too. Subscription will be help me a lot because I'm still at a starting stage. I'm not sure myself if I'm making good content or not. It totally depends on my viewers. Right now I have around 30 subscribers, I think. Most of them are someone I already know, I guess. I want this video to reach new people out there who really want to get into the data analysis field and don't know how to start. So this is the way you can go. This is the way I went. And yeah, one more thing I've totally forgot. There is one particular guy that I actually followed. Yes, I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, I'll link this particular website in the description. You guys can go and check. This particular guy is the one who told me, like, as you can see here, create 7 portfolio projects. This is what he has told me. So I tried to follow that, but it didn't work out for me. But I think this is basically the same thing I kept here. You have to make projects too. He's went in complete detail. You guys can go check this website. It's much better explanation if you want to just simply read that. I mean, if you have watched until now, you have already watched my video, but if you want a second opinion and want to confront with the experienced professional who is in the industry right now doing this particular job, you guys can check this website. Yeah, that's all. Like and subscribe. Bye.